What is up, Confam? I am Conrad Evan,
And I am his grandmother.
and we're going to open some Pokemon cards, and she's going to figure out what Pokemon actually is. So in this video, we are going to be opening up 2 packs of Darkness Ablaze, and hopefully we're going to pick up some good cards. Do you think we're going to pick up some good cards, Grandma?
I don't know what the cards I'm supposed to pick yet.
Well, do you have hope they're going to be good?
Oh yeah, they'll definitely be good. They'll definitely be good.
What
So
is
I'm going to pick them out.
Okay, good. So Grandma's going to open these up, and hopefully we'll get better cards than we did last time. So we got the Rock Energy.
Okay.
And now just read what we got at the top of the card.
The top of the card says, I can't see it. Okay. I have to pull this out. Wait a minute. And it says, Familiar Bell.
There we go.
A familiar bell, okay?
Yep. What's
Do
the
I have
next
to read
one?
the bottom of it?
No, you just have to read the top. just the-
Familiar Bell.
yeah.
Okay.
And then you
And
can
I
move
put it
on to the
over there?
next one. Yeah.
And then I'm going to see this one here. It says, Struggle Gloves.
Yep.
Struggle Gloves, okay?
Use that for fighting.
Okay.
And now we got to the first Pokemon. What's that one?
This is a Pokemon?
Yeah.
How do you know it's a Pokemon?
Because they're in the Pokemon card deck.
Oh, and are those the Pokemons there?
Yeah. What's its name?
Oh, his name is Clang. Clang, clang, clang comes the trolley.
The clang helps the trolley move.
And Clang makes the trolley move. And then I got Carabalistic?
I think it's
Carablast.
There we go. Yeah.
And is that another Pokemon?
It is, yeah.
But it doesn't look like a Pokemon.
Well, there's a lot of Pokemon that are interesting.
Oh, really? They don't all look the same?
No, they're actually mostly different.
How do I know when I got a Pokemon?
You got one in your hand right now.
Oh, well, and what do I do with it?
You should put that one down and then go to the next one.
Okay.
There we go. Now we got another one.
We have another one, and this is a Pokemon card
Yes.
because it looks like another Pokemon.
What's its name?
His name is, holy mackerel. No, it's not. It's not holy mackerel. Wait a minute. It's Daranapo?
It's a tough one.
Well, no, I just can't see the letters. Otherwise, I could pronounce it. No, that's a G, isn't it? It's a D.
There's a G and a D in there.
Oh, a G and a D? Okay.
You can just read the second name.
The second name, that's what I'm looking at.
Yeah.
The D-A something.
Yeah, I think it's Darmanitan or Darmantian. It's a complicated name.
Darmantian.
Yeah.
Well, gee whiz, I'm stupid because I can't pronounce it.
It's okay. A lot of people pronounce them differently.
Okay.
We got what's the next Pokemon we got?
Next Pokemon we get is Larry.
We got Darren and Larry.
Larrytar.
Yeah.
Very good. That's another Pokemon.
Yep.
Oh, wow, I'm getting familiar now.
Mm-hmm. What's up next? Maybe this is an easier
Okay,
name.
this is a new one. This is a Nickit.
There we go. Nickit. I call him Nicholas.
You call him Nicholas.
Yeah. And then we got a couple more.
Nickit or Nicky? Nickit.
All right. I think we got maybe 2 more.
Wow. This one, next one is Bounce. Born Sweet.
Bonsweet.
Born Sweet.
I think it's French.
That doesn't look like French to me. It looks like Born, B-O-U-N, sweet.
Bon Sweet, yeah.
Born sweet. Born sweet.
It's like born, maybe Italian.
Born sweet. There you go.
Maybe it's Italian.
Born sweet. Sounds French.
All right. We got the last one. What? Oh wait, no, we got two more. What's the next one?
The next one is. Well, you know what? I can't believe I'm blind. I've got my glasses on too.
You want me to help you out with that one?
Yes, I can't see it at all.
That one is Morlull.
How do you spell it?
Morelull. Morlull.
Morel.
All right, what do we got for the last one?
Lugia.
Lugia, that's a good one.
Logia.
It's Lugia, yeah.
L-U?
Yeah.
L-U-G-I-A. Lugia. Lugia.
Yeah, that's a rare one.
Really?
Yeah. So we got a good one. You were right.
Okay.
And that's the end of that pack. So what's your favorite Pokemon here?
My favorite Pokemon is, if I go by the name or the face or the body or what?
Which just whatever one looks nice to you.
Okay. I think this one looks nice.
The Darmanian?
Dimension.
All right.
Dimension.
He's an ice type.
Yeah, he's cute.
Grandma, we're gonna open the second pack.
Okay.
So the last pack, we got your favorite Darmanian, and we also got a Lugia.
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 Logia, I thought it was L-O-G-I-A. The G is pronounced like an H.
Maybe. I wonder if they know that.
Logia.
And then, so we got our second pack, and I think this one might be even better than the last one.
Okay.
So, I'm gonna help you out a little bit, and then I'll let you read the name. Can you guess the energy? If it's gonna be psychic, fire, electric, or grass?
Electric.
Oh no, it's grass. You didn't win that round. Okay, so the first card is. Can you read it, or do you need the magnifying glass?
Parasect.
Yep, that's an evolution of another Pokemon.
Parasect. See, I did say it was some kind of a.
Yeah.
Okay.
We got Parasect. We got that artwork. So we got Parasect, and then we got a really crazy looking one.
This is a Toxapace?
Maybe, I don't think I've ever seen that one.
Toxapet.
It's a crazy looking one. Toxapex.
That's what I said.
Is it? Okay.
Toxapex. It's
So-
T-O-X.
So it has a poison. It has a poison move.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So that's poison.
So this is a trainer card. It's a big parasol.
Okay.
So it's like an umbrella.
Is that the name of it?
Yeah. It's an item. It's like it helps you from the toxic pack.
Okay.
And then now we're back to the regular Pokemon. So
Okay, this
maybe
is
you like that one.
Digilets. No, big tests. Big Tex. Texas.
I think it's Diglett.
Big L-E-G?
L-E-T. It's a T at the end.
L-E-T. It is Diglett.
Yeah.
D-I-G-L-E-T-T.
Yeah.
I saw two T's.
So that one-
Diglett.
Yeah. So that one, you can find him in caves, and he pops up from the ground.
Okay.
So he digs.
Diglett.
Yeah. So this one, it kind of looks like Wilbur, our cat.
Wilbur. So we'll name him Pussycat.
What's that guy's name?
Skilgo.
Skew.
Skilgo Est. No, Skew, SKW.
I think it's an O.
OVET.
Yeah. Skwovet.
Skovet.
Yeah.
Skovet.
He's like a little chunky cat.
How do you know that?
He looks. I think it's a cat. He becomes uneasy if its cheeks are ever completely empty of berries, so he's always eating berries. So we got another one. This one should be a little bit easier to read.
Shell? No.
Yeah?
SHELMET.
Yeah.
Shelmet.
Yeah, Shelmet.
Shelmet. No N there. Shelmet. M-E-T.
He lives in a shell. He's kind of like an oyster.
Okay.
But he also has a spray fluid, so if you get close to him, he sprays you with
And
that
you turn
stuff.
whatever he sprays you with?
Pretty much.
You turn into whatever he sprays you with.
So this one's a really colorful one. Let me see what that one is.
Oh, come on.
I think the magnifying glass is getting in your way.
I wanted to. P-A-N-G.
It's another P.
Another P?
Yeah.
Oh. P-A-N-G.
No, I don't think that could be it. There's too many vowels next, or too many consonants next to each other.
Okay.
You want me to help you out with that one?
P-A-M, Pam, P, E, can't see that next word.
He's not your best friend, that's for sure. It's a Panpour.
Pampor.
It's P-O-U-R.
P-O-U-R, okay, I
Yeah.
did see a P-O-U-R.
And then, all right, now we have a little teddy bear. Let's see what his name is.
Teddy bear is T-E-D D T-E-D-D I-N-N-I-A-N.
Almost. We'll just name him Teddy. This is Teddy Ursa.
Teddy Ursa.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the last card. This is, or wait, no, we actually have 2 more cards.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one, it has like a holographic card here, so it's kind of shiny.
Okay.
So you can see that, and then I don't know, you might not be able to see the name or not because it's kind of dark.
N-E-L. No, N-E-I-M. N-E-I-A-M.
I think you're making up words.
It's because I think that's what I'm looking at.
You want me to help you out with the last 2? So the first part of the word is Mel.
Mel, M-E-L.
Yeah.
Mel, M-E-L-E. No, M-E-L-O. Mellow. Mellow.
It's another M after Mel.
Yeah, M-E-L-M-E-T-C-A.
A-L.
C-A-L. Yeah.
M-E-T-A-L.
M-E-T-A-L.
So Mel and Metal.
Mel.
Metal.
Mel Metal.
Yeah, that's his name. So we got Mel Metal, and then we got the last one. This is the rare card, and it is Greedent. even look at that one.
Greedent.
Yep, that's it.
Greedent.
Yeah.
Greedent. Yeah, there you go.
And that's the last one of the pack.
Okay.
You got Scrape Off and Smack and Run are his moves. So out of this second pack, which one was your favorite? Which one do you like? Do you like the chunky cat? The chunky bunny?
I like this one here. It's cute.
The teddy bear?
Yeah.
Teddy Ursa?
Teddy Ursa.
Teddy Ursa. And that's it. Thanks so much, Grandma, for helping me open Pokemon cards.
Oh, you're welcome, sweetheart. I'm sorry I couldn't read them the way they should be read. But it's not that I'm dumb. It's that I'm blind.
Well, I'm also blind. That's why I have glasses too.
Well, that's good. Now, what do you...
Thank you so much for watching our Pokemon card video. Please leave a like and a comment.
And subscribe down below.
Yes.